Everyone knows that AIPER pool cleaners are some of the best on the market. I'm going to tell you about the two top sellers and the differences so you can make a decision which one might be right for your pool. First, we have the AIPER Scuba S1, and we have the comparison of the Scuba X1 Pro Max. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is the newest model, and the Scuba S1 is a staple. I've had it for about a year, and it is an awesome machine. As you can see, there's a big difference in size. So let me tell you about the difference in the features. The Scuba S1 is designed for pools up to 1,600 square feet, and the X1 can go and clean wells, pools up to 3,200 square feet. Now, let me just tell you that the Scuba X1 Pro Max has some great features. Even if you have a smaller pool, that is no reason not to consider the X1. I have a smaller pool, and there's some features on here that now that I have them, I can't live without them. So let me tell you about their basic differences. They are both cordless. They are both automatic pool cleaning machines, and the S1 has this massive caterpillar type wheels and the tracks here. It has a big slot for debris. It holds a lot. And in the back here, it has a charging port and a great guard here to keep unwanted debris from getting into the machine. It uses intelligent mapping. It cleans the floors, the walls, and the steps. It has a big basket. Look, it's a very big basket. It does collect fine dirt. It does collect leaves. It collects little bits of anything that falls into your pool, and it slips in the machine just like that. So easy. I love the top mount basket. It's just easy to pick up and clean. It has a charge port that you charge at the wall, and you carry it to the pool to put it in. Very great machine. I absolutely love the way it's at my pool clean. Let me show you what the box looks like. The packaging often tells you a lot that you can't see when you buy online. So it will show you the different types of cleaning that it has, the smart path navigation, and it cleans for 150 minutes, 1,600 square feet, like we said, and it will do the walls and the floor as well. It's a great, powerful machine. I have enjoyed it very, very much. Now, let me tell you about the Scuba X Pro Max. This is a beast of a machine. It is about 40 pounds, and it is powerful. It has underneath these massive wheels, caterpillar wheels and tracks, and a big, large spout, just like the S1. But it does several things. It is considered the first of its kind to do the pool walls, floor, stairs, and the surface. So this is a surface cleaning feature that you do not have in the S1. The S1 is super powerful and a great machine, but this is an additional feature. And it is easy to carry. It has these big carrying ports here. It also has an optional caddy that makes it easier to wheel back and forth to electrical source. It has an ultrasonic sensor here. It has smart path navigation as well as the Scuba S1, but it has an extra level of obstacle avoidance. It offers 3 different modes: Eco, Auto, Floor, Wall, and Max, which is everything. I like the Max. Why not? Why not let it do it all? It has a 5-hour battery life, and it will run the maximum clean, which is about 2 hours. It will clean the surface last. It will park near the edge so you can retrieve it easily. It's a massive machine. I really like it. It has advanced sensors. It has 40 sensors that will help it navigate its flex path perfectly and execute with an 850 GPH suction. So these 2 machines are amazing. This is the Ultra Pro machine with all the bells and whistles, and this is a more basic machine, although it is very, very good. Depending on your need or your price point, they're both extraordinary.